InvestEngine Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform are in the description. InvestEngine is a UK-based robo-advisor offering low-cost, ETF-focused investment portfolios for both individuals and businesses. It provides two main services: managed portfolios, where InvestEngine builds and manages your investments, and DIY portfolios, allowing experienced investors to construct and control their own ETF-based portfolios with zero trading fees. This makes it ideal for both hands-off investors looking for automation and active investors who want full control over their assets. One of InvestEngine's biggest strengths is its ultra-low-cost fee structure. Managed portfolios come with an annual fee of just 0.25%, significantly lower than many competitors like Nutmeg or Wealthify. Meanwhile, the DIY option has no platform fees, making it one of the most cost-effective ways to invest in ETFs. Additionally, InvestEngine supports ISA and business accounts, providing tax-efficient investing options. The platform uses a smart asset allocation strategy, balancing equities and bonds to match different risk levels. With over 500 ETFs available, diversification is a major plus. It also offers automated portfolio rebalancing, ensuring investments stay aligned with your risk tolerance over time. The intuitive mobile and web apps make it easy to track performance, deposit funds, and adjust allocations. However, there are some downsides. InvestEngine does not offer pensions, SIPs, yet, which may be a drawback for long-term retirement savers. Additionally, it lacks features like thematic investing or ESG-focused portfolios, which some competitors provide. While its ETF selection is strong, those looking for individual stocks, mutual funds, or crypto investments will need to look elsewhere. Overall, InvestEngine is an excellent robo-advisor for cost-conscious investors seeking diversified ETF portfolios with low fees and automated management. It's particularly well suited for those in the UK looking for a simple, affordable way to invest long-term. However, if you need pension accounts, broader asset classes, or ESG options, alternatives like Nutmeg or Money Farm might be better. If this review helped, check out the links in the description for more details.